Hey, what's up guys? For most of you who don't know, this here's Blue, I'm Ryan, and this is our van. This episode we cover the installation of these Pocono Metal Craft driver and passenger swivel bases. Before we start, we need to de-energize the van by gaining access to the battery underneath the driver's side floor and disconnect both black and red cables with a number 10 socket. Wait at least 20 minutes prior to disconnecting any other wires. Locate and remove 4 number 14 torque bolts. To do this, you may need to slide the seat forward or backwards. Be mindful of the wire connected to the seat as you set it aside. Some really solid metal. Hand tighten these 4 bolts from the swivel base to the van base. Disconnect the wires from the seat wires around through the swivel base. Now torque down those 4 bolts with an Allen wrench. My van had these pins on the seat's rails preventing the swivel base from lying flat, so I used my sawzall to remove both pins from each seat. Insert bolt up through swivel base and into the seat rails, and then thread the nut through and hand tighten. Once aligned, torque down with both Allen key and number 10 socket wrench. Finally installed, you can really see how low profile this is, no more than an inch higher than before. Now just repeat the same thing on the other side. Keep in mind, the parking brake does prevent the swivel base from rotating completely around without some sort of modification. Stay tuned for that. Follow along for the next few months as I convert this 2019 Mercedes Sprinter 2500 170 extended 4x4 from this cargo van into a camper van. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.